Good afternoon, one and all. Today is 24th November 2021, and we'll be taking mobile phones and media players. Mobile phones. Mobile phones helps for communication with other phones using a cellular service providers, packed with smart functions and are available in smaller size. So applications of mobile phones are no longer confined to telephonic communication. So apart from doing communication on the mobile phones are used for some other purposes like multimedia technology, for voice sharing, then picture sharing, downloading movies, pictures, audio, video, MP3. Okay, so multimedia, that word comprises of multimedia, media players. Okay, so it is used for that purpose also. Now it can synchronize and upload and download data to and from the PCs. So for that purpose also, communication of mobile phones, synchronization with PCs and some other devices are also available. Now what the word which is used to uh, provide these type of facilities, that is that these phones are also called as smartphones. So smart word आया है, that is because it not only provides communication, helps in communication, but it also provides the media player facilities, multimedia applications. Okay. It provides email and internet connectivity, even click pictures and prepare albums, includes a personal information manager, handheld computers, entertainment devices. Okay, these are some of the features of the mobile phones. New generation mobile phones pack in everything from a computer to an FM radio and from video recording to TV viewing. So everything is available in the new generation phones. If we talk about TV viewing, OTT platform, radio channels, frequency modulations, radio stations, FM stations, everything is available on the mobile phones. So that is why the word smartphones comes in the picture. So a smartphone is a GSM CDMA, collision division multiplexing, or tri-band wireless radio interfaces to a cellular network provided by the mobile service providers. Small areas LCD liquid crystal display is being used for the smartphones. Display panels, touchscreen panels are available. So smart T9 keypad, a smart keypad is one that remembers previously keyed entries. जो पहले एंट्री की हुई है उसको भी स्टोर करके रखता है. That capability is also there. Previous commands are also stored. T9 stands for text on 9 keys. So a text input system that offers an alternative to multi-tapping for entering textual characters on numeric keypad. So smart T9 keypads useful for creating SMS messages and entering contact information, which is the feature of the smartphone. T9 keypads features are also functions as a phone as well as smartphones functions as phone as well as it provides PIM. PIM stands for the phone information, personal information, multimedia applications are also available. Like personal information management (PIM). Personal information management is also like personal diary, address book, task list, calculator, alarm, calendar. Ability to send and receive SMS messages of up to 160 characters. Ability to send and receive MMS multimedia messaging services messages for transmission of digital images, video clips, and animations. So these are some of the features with the smartphones. Let's elaborate these features. It includes provisions for games, e-commerce and e-ticket. Games आप upload कर सकते हैं, download कर सकते हैं, Play Store से इनको खेल सकते हैं online games. Then e-commerce, that is shopping on internet, buying and selling of products. E-ticketing, कुछ चीज खरीदना है आपको, टिकट्स खरीदना है, रेलवे रिजर्वेशन, बस रिजर्वेशन, plane reservation, hotel booking, okay, restaurant booking. So tickets are available on the smartphones also. facilities to provide e-ticketing and e-commerce games all are provided on smartphone. Bluetooth communication with PCs and neighboring devices, integration of location information in GPS and maps are also available. This helps in searching the particular location. Even that cab, Uber, these works with the geographical maps जो available रहते हैं. Takes that into picture and find out the location of a particular passenger. Wireless application protocols enables for web page access, download and other web-based applications through web gateways or proxies. These are the protocols which are available to provide the accessibility of all the web pages available on the smartphones. Now, what are multimedia phones? Smartphones हमने देख लिया. Multimedia phones क्या होता है? These multimedia phones offers multimedia functionalities. Nowadays, a single handset device provides the facility of smartphone as well as multimedia. So functions for a smartphones, multi-phones can also play MP3 format audio, MP4 format video. Some phones may also support other formats such as WMA, AAC. N91 belongs to this series and focuses on music and playing. So nowadays, smartphones and multimedia phones are being provided by the single devices. Features are available in single phones. Possible to watch TV on the mobile phones using EGPRS 3G connectivity. Many mobile services provides. अब तो हमारे पास में 5G connectivity के भी devices available. Many mobile service providers links up with various TV channels. जैसे आपका Amazon का है, TV channels वगैरह मोबाइल फोन पे अवेलेबल रहते हैं. Then enable users to enjoy mobile TV on the LCD screens of their cell phones. Mobile phone gaming enables users to play network player games, include cameras for still pictures and video recording है, screen recording है, pictures play कर सकते हो, record कर सकते हो, sound recording कर सकते हो, editing कर सकते हो videos का. Some phones also offer picture editing software which enables the user to edit, crop and define pictures on their cell phones handsets. Editing software are nowadays inbuilt available in the camera play app. This is Nokia N91 which was used in 2005-6 में ये यूज किया जाता था इस टाइप का हैंडसेट Nokia N91. Some of the features of the Nokia, let's see. GSM technology, GPRS, H900, 1800, 900 MHz connecting. Advanced voice calling functions such as integrated hands-free speaker, voice dialing, voice recording, conference calling. ये सब features available है इसमें. Up to 4 GB of internal dynamic memory. अब तो कितना internal memory और external memory और high configuration. Multimedia functions and an additional 30 MB for storing calendar, contacts and text messages. A music player optimized for listening to music. It can play audio files in MP3, ACC, ACC plus, EACC plus, real audio wave, WMA. ये सब types of files है, audio files ये भी play कर सकते हैं. MPG4 real video, external speakers using stereo audio jack, FM radio and visual. 2 megapixel cameras for कितना high resolution का कैमरा है for video recording and still pictures. 176 by 208 pixel display with up to 32 and 144 colors. Personal information management. Features such as calendar, contacts, task list, ये सब आप Play Store से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं या इमीडिएटली रहता है. Protocol which is used for this is WLAN 802.1 V/G for hotspot connectivity, Bluetooth wireless connectivity, XHTML browser for internet browsing. Nokia PC suit to synchronize data with PCs using USB port with a digital clock time of up to 4 hours and standby time of up to 7.9 hours. Cellular networks or mobile phones. Now let's see cellular networks for mobile phone. Each cell has cells adjoining it in a various directions. Adjacent cells distinct frequencies to avoid interfaces between the signals transmitted by different cells. Base station connect among themselves through their either guided transmission or guided includes wired or fiber based wired transmission or wireless transmission. Wireless transmission to connectionless transmission and wired transmission or fiber based, which is wireless is public switching PSTN, public switching telephone network. Multi-cell cellular network entails that when the transceivers move from one place to another, they will also have to switch from cell to cell. So when a mobile device moves from and reaches the cell boundary, switching on to the next cell occurs by handover of the device connection to another neighboring devices. So this is the simple ब्लॉक डायग्राम ऑफ सेल्युलर नेटवर्क फॉर मोबाइल फोन. ये इसका एक बेस स्टेशन है. ये डायग्राम हम ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं. बेस स्टेशन है. ये दूसरा बेस स्टेशन है. इसका अपडेट एंड डुप्लीकेट and of when user moves from one base station to another base station. So these cell phones catches the network of other base stations. Apple iPhone, this is commercially available in 2007. Multimedia and internet cable mobile. That time the cost of Apple mobiles was very. Now today also the Apple cost very high, but it's reasonable as compared to the previous years. Features of an iPod or smartphone, a digital camera, and a handset computer. Mac OS operating system is available. Some of the features like a single physical button home available. User controls, मतलब keypad हुआ करता था उस समय. की बात बता रहे हैं. Nowadays touchscreen iPhones are available. The user controls the iPhone by sliding a finger across its touch sensitive 3.5 inch display. No stylus is needed. Stylus एक पेन हुआ करता था. उस पेन से टच करना पड़ता था. Touchscreen allowed नहीं था. Finger allowed. Nowadays, fingers are allowed for performing the operation of the mobile phones. Touchscreen requires bare screens to operate. मतलब अगर आपने कुछ पहना हुआ है तो उससे वो वर्क नहीं करता. Various versions like 4GB and 8GB flash memory version. Wide touch-sensitive 3.5 inch display screen, which has resolution of 320 by 480 pixels at 160 pixels per inch display, incorporates multi-touch sensing and a virtual keyboard as automatic spell checking. है ना, WhatsApp पे virtual keyboard में spell checking रहता है. Predictive word capabilities and adaptation. Automatically this feature is available in applications. A relatively new technology in the field of human-computer interactions, while touch sensing commonplace for single point of contact, multi-touch sensing enables a user to interact with a system with more than one finger at a time, as in boarding and bimanual operations. Some more features of iPhone: ambient light sensors, which senses the lights in proximity and automatically adjusts screen brightness to save power. Proximity sensor shuts down the display and touch screen when the phone is held to the ear. Phone call by simply pointing the finger at a name or number called out. Address book or favorite list. Innovative use of contacts list is that using a new technology, the iPhone automatically synchronizes all contacts from PC. जैसे अभी क्या होता है, कॉन्टेक्ट लिस्ट स्टोर रहती है, उसको अगर हमने स्टोर बैकअप ले लिया तो प्रोवाइड द फैसिलिटी टू स्टोर द बैकअप इन गूगल. तो तो वहां पर हम जब भी इसको रिट्राई करते हैं तो हमको पूरा डेटा रिकवर हो जाएगा. Sports, the visual voicemail features which allow users to skip directly to voicemails they want to hear. SMS text messaging on the iPhone similar to iChat with user dialogue encased in bubbles with familiar icon sounds. Touch keyboard appears below text. It supports full iTunes integration, provides for iPod audio and photo file formats and functions. For example, shuffling of songs, repeat one for all, sound check on or off, and 22 equalizer settings. So ये देखो ये iPod का एक example है. Mobile digital music player, Apple iPod. iPod is basically used for playing songs. Song को play करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. इसके फीचर्स देखते हैं. फ्लैश बेस्ड प्लेयर्स है, सिंपल यूजर इंटरेक्शन, मोस्टली डिजाइन अराउंड अ सेंट्रल scroll wheel. Fifth generation iPhone incorporates a video player. Use the Apple iTunes software for transferring, storing, managing, and playing music, photos, and videos. iPod MA350 LLA stores 240 songs in 1 GB, 500 songs in 2 GB, 1000 songs in 4 GB. This much of the memory is required to store this much of the audio video files. Supports Apple audio communication by AAC files between 16 kbps to 3 kbps. 16 kbps से 320 kbps के साइज में फाइल्स का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Battery life of up to 14 hours for music playback and up to 4 hours for slideshows with music. It provides customized main menu to create multiple on-the-go playlists, adjust audiobook play, store, playback speed, clicker playback through handsets, rate the songs, shuffle the songs or albums. Some more features: repeat runner on, sound check on, 20 equalizer settings, sleep timer, multi-listening. It supports MP3, VBR, WAV, and AIFF file format. It supports JPG file, photo display, and download. Synchronize iPod views, viewable photos in VLC, AIFF, PNG formats. Supports protected AAC files from iTunes Music. So supports audible format 2, 3, and 4. Supports a calendar and task to do list. Supports earbud headphones and a speaker. मतलब wireless headphones are also supported by this headphones to 2007. That time the cost was too. Ports dock connector, stereo mini jack, USB to dock connector, USB cables. These are some of the facilities of the Apple iPhone. So we have seen smartphones, multimedia phones, N95, Apple iPhone, digital music. Let's begin with the smart systems, labels, RFID, and focus. What we are going to learn, we are going to smart labels, RFID, and smart labels. Smart labels. Smart labels means multiple applications in our day-to-day lives in their numerous forms such as identification labels, key labels, etc. वो जो आपका ATM चिप पे भी लेबलिंग रहता है, that is also smart label. Servers serves the purpose of identifying the content of a package. Labels का काम क्या होता है? एक particular package के contents को identify करना. Barcode label on a book pack, information about the publisher, title, author, publishing date, reprinting. मतलब barcode labels हो गए. Then जब आप कोई आइटम खरीदने के लिए जाते हो उसके ऊपर बारकोड्स रहते हैं, हर प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर रहते हैं. So barcode labels are also used in stores so that reading machine can identify the product and its price. differs from a card in terms of thickness and visibility. बहुत ही thin रहता है कार्ड के मुकाबले में. So a label using wireless means the product identification can be concealed inside the product. जो product identification रहता है वो product के अंदर ही छुपा हुआ भी रहता है. Smart labels क्या होते हैं? These has a processor, memory, transceiver, antenna, similar to contactless smart card. तो smart labels रहते हैं उसमें ये सब processor रहता है, memory रहता है, जिससे अगर हमें कार्ड दे, ATM card, debit card जो है. Smart labels are essentially an earlier version of now popular RFID tags. So powered by radio frequency identification tag. RFID is radio frequency identification tag. ये कई कॉलेजेस की लाइब्रेरी में भी लगा हुआ है टू आइडेंटिफाई पर्टिकुलर बुक. कि अगर एक पर्टिकुलर बुक को लाइब्रेरी से बाहर लेकर जाना है तो RFID आइडेंटिफिकेशन तो उसको लेकर जाते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली एंट्री हो जाती है. It is powered by received signals just like smart cards. Smart labels need not be visible when implanted into a product or a package. जब प्रोडक्ट और पैकेज के अंदर डालते हैं तो जरूरी नहीं है कि वो दिखाई दे. देखो ये नेटवर्क ऑफ लेबल्स है. Center server, this is remote central server to internet lease line access points. Labels, each label includes a processor, memory and transceivers. हर label के पास तो कितनी memory है, processor है, transceiver. So wirelessly these can be communicated through internet. So software in label secure OS, labels data transmission, collections, service and provides protocol applications, LANs, data aggregation, communication to access point. Some features are there: access point software for labels, secure OS, host data transceivers, application, LAN communicator, server authentication software. Smart labels network together with the central reading and computation devices, host or PCs. Cluster of labels form a network similar to a LAN network. Collision sense and avoidance protocols so that multiple labels are not allocated the same ID tag. देखो इसमें क्या होता है कि बेसिकली ये ID tags जो रहते हैं RFID तो एक ही ऑथर की बहुत सारी बुक्स हो सकती हैं. प्रोडक्ट्स भी जब हम खरीदने जाते हैं तो एक ही प्रोडक्ट बिग बाजार में बहुत सारे रहते हैं तो एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट को आइडेंटिफाई करना कि ये हमारे इस डिपार्टमेंट का है कि उसके लिए आइडेंटिफिकेशन स्मार्ट लेबल्स लगाए जाते हैं. तो वो जब भी हम उस मॉल से उसको बाहर लेकर जाएंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली सेंसर करना शुरू कर देंगे. तो वो आप कोई चीज़ चोरी नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज उसके स्मार्ट लेबल्स लगे होते हैं. Use secured hardware and server authentication software रहते हैं. Central servers also detect the removal of a labeled products or packet from production and raises alarms. देखो alarm raise करता है अगर कोई unknown user जो है उसको एक उससे बाहर निकाल के लेकर जाता है तो वो अलार्म बजना चालू होता है. तो वो RFID automatic identification method. So it's a remote storage and retrieval of the data. This is implemented in the Datta Mege College library. RFID tags are objects that when tagged attached onto the people, products or animals enable their identification using radio waves from a nearby source. RFID tags or labels contains integrated circuit chips usually limited to data transfer computation में कैसे रहता है limited to tags content. So data transfer rates दिया गया है 115 kbps with signals from 915 megahertz 868 megahertz at higher end of the spectrum to 315 megahertz and 57 megahertz at the lower end of the spectrum. RFID tag, each one monitored by a hotspot in the vicinity of the tag. A line of sight access, hotspot computers, wireless transceivers transmit the receiver and signals from RFID tag. So these RFID tag hotspots connect to the internet through lease line, wireless or mobile. किससे कनेक्ट होता है ये RFID हॉटस्पॉट है wireless लीज लाइन से भी कनेक्ट होते हैं, वायरलेस या मोबाइल से भी कनेक्शन होता है. So mobile devices or PCs with a wireless interface is programmed to function as a एक RFID hotspot दिया हुआ है, जैसे इंटरनेट के थ्रू रिमोट सर्वर के साथ भी जनरली कनेक्टेड है. थ्रू hotspot RFIDs are connected and is being managed by the remote central server. Smart tokens used for authentication purpose before an action such as granting entry into the restricted areas is issued. मतलब अगर आप किसी एरिया के अंदर एक restricted areas के अंदर IT फॉर्म्स या कोई स्मार्ट सिस्टम है उसके अंदर आप एंटर कर रहे हो तो स्मार्ट टोकन जनरेट होते हैं. So these are digital tokens. So smart tokens and encapsulated chip including a processor and a memory. The token size is very small and usually of the order of शर्ट बटन और पेन निब. कितनी छोटे इसमें शर्ट बटन या पेन निब के साइज के बराबर रहता है स्मार्ट टोकन. और वो आपको क्या प्रोवाइड करता है? इट प्रोवाइड्स द ऑथेंटिकेशन अबाउट द एंट्रिंग इनटू द रिस्ट्रिक्टेड एरिया. उसके लिए प्रोटोकॉल्स भी अवेलेबल रहते हैं. सो वायर बेस्ड प्रोटोकॉल्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन एट 16 to 120 16 to 128 kbps ASK shift keys 13.56 Mbps for contactless communication. Some of the applications of tokens की क्या-क्या applications है? मतलब ये permission grant करने के लिए कोई employee अपने workplace पे जा रहा है तो उसको permission grant करके अंदर entry के लिए doors open close करना है remotely. फिर defense departments में भी authentication करना है, parcels की entry है, तो checking है, बटन के फॉर्म में रहता है, छोटा-छोटा पिन्स के फॉर्म में रहता है ताकि हमारे पास में उसकी accessibility बहुत कम हो. So what are the things which we have seen today is the smart label computers, memory and transceivers, network of labels, RFID tokens. Okay. Smart systems, labels, RFID tokens. So we have seen these things. Now the session is